Changing your password on Wise is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password securely. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wise website or open the Wise app. Enter your email and current password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for your profile icon or account settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Security or Password. Click on this option to proceed to the Password Change section. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements specified by Wise. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the required information, click on the Save or Update Password button. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. Remember to log out and log back in using your new password to ensure it works correctly.